जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंद यमुना तीर बनचारी यमुना तीर बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा जय प्रभुपद श्रील प्रभुपद श्रील प्रभुपद प्रभु जय प्रभुपद श्रील प्रभुपद श्रील प्रभुपद प्रभु जय जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राज काचार्य अष्टोत्तर सहडिभान्य शिल अभय चरण रविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद के इस्कॉन फाउंडर आचार्य श्रील प्रभुपाद के जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राज काचार्य अष्टोत्तर सहडिभान्य शिल भक्त सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोसाई प्रभुपाद के अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद के नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर के प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद के श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंडगिरी गोवर्धन के, श्री वृंदावन धाम के, श्री श्री नवदीप मायापुर धाम के, श्रीमती तुलसी देवी भक्ति देवी के, गंगा जमुना माई के, गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरिनाम संकीर्तन के, श्री श्री रुक्मिणी द्वारकाधीश जी के, श्री श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा जी के, श्री श्री गौर निताई के, श्रील प्रभुपाद के, all glories the assembled devotees, all glories the assembled devotees, all glories the assembled devotees, all glory all Guru Garang ki jai, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते, गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी, वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते, कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा। तो Rup Goswami is one of the smallest book compiled by Rup Goswami. Rup Goswami, one of the 6 Goswami of Vrindavan. In one verse, Rup Goswami talks about the importance of Braja, Vrindavan, or the glories of Vrindavan, Radha Kund, Giriraji, Govardhan. So, Subhas Prabhu, he was talking and he mentioned something about Vrindavan and also Chaurasi Kosh Yatra. So of course I was thinking to say something, some other topics, but suddenly I decided, change my mind, and I would like to speak on this subject matter of Srimad Vrindavan Dham. Rup Goswami writes in Vaikunthat Janito Bara Madhurpuri Tatra Pirasotsavat Vrindaranyam. This is Sanskrit adject. Vaikunthat Janito Bara Madhurpuri Tatra Pirasotsavat Vrindaranyam. Mathura is superior to Vaikuntha, greater than a Vaikuntha lok. Because Lord Krishna displayed his birthing appearance pastime in Mathura. Mathura is the birthplace of Lord Krishna. Therefore, Mathura is superior than a Vaikuntha planet. Vaikuntha matlab eternal abode of Vishnu resides there. Because Krishna appeared, Krishna took birth in Mathura. So Mathura is superior to Vaikuntha planet. And then Vaikuntha Janito Madhupuri Tatra Pirasotsavad Vrindaranyam. Superior to Mathura is Vrindavan, 12 forests of Braja. There are 12 forests that consist and that area tract of land is known as Braja. Braja means that includes 12 different forests. In Braj area, river Jamuna flows, and on the western bank of Jamuna, there are 7 celebrated forests, and on the eastern bank of Jamuna, there are 5 important forests. Altogether, there are 12 forests that called Braj area. So, superior to Mathura is 12 forests of Braja, because Lord Krishna displayed his most confidential pastime in those forests in Vrindavan. Ras Leela. Krishna appeared, he displayed the Leela, pastime of taking birth in Mathura, but in Mathura Krishna did not perform his Ras Leela. That is considered to be the most confidential and important pastime of Krishna. You know, Krishna appeared in Mathura, in the prison house of Mathura, and soon, same night, same time, Krishna was transferred from Mathura to Gokul in the custody of Mother Jashoda, and then in Braj, Vrindavan, Krishna lived for 11 years. So all those 11 years, every single night, Krishna displays, performs his Ras Leela. So since Krishna performed Ras Leela in Vrindavan, 12 forests of Braja, therefore the 12 forests of Braja are superior to Mathura. Vrindaranya Mudar Pandi Ramanat Tatrapi Govardhana. And superior to all 12 forests of Vrindavan, superior to the forest is Giraj Govardhan. Giraj Govardhan, Krishna lifted continuous 7 days and night when Krishna was merely 7 years old boy, child, 7 years boy. In order to protect all the Brajavasi, Krishna lifted Giraj Govardhan, big mountain, for continuous 7 days and night. So since Krishna lifted Giraj Govardhan on his hand, left hand, for 7 days, and same time Krishna also displayed many confidential pastime on the top of Giraj Govardhan. So Govardhan is superior, more important than forest of Vrindavan. And then Rupa Goswami talks about Radha Kundamihapi Gokulpate Prema Mrita Plavanat Kurya Das Virajate Gritate Shevam Viveki Nakah. Superior to, better than Giraj Govardhan, greater than Giraj Govardhan is Radha Kund. Radha Kundamihapi Gokulpate Prema Mrita Plavanat. Spontaneous attraction for Krishna, all attraction of Brajavasi for Krishna, and same time Krishna love, Krishna affection for Brajavasi, that prema, that affection, the spontaneous attraction from each other, that has become, that has taken that in the liquid form, and the liquid form, the liquid Krishna prem or Brajavasi prem, Krishna prem towards Brajavasi, towards his devotees, and devotees affection, prem, love for Krishna. Both they have taken shape of liquid form, taral, and that liquid is the water of Radha Kund. When we see appears that is ordinary water, but that water is not ordinary water, it's transcendental water, and the water is manifestation of Krishna loves towards Brajavasi and Brajavasi love towards Krishna. Both have taken a shape of liquid, and that is water of Radha Kund. So, therefore, Radha Kund, it always is flooded with the love of Krishna. Radha Kund mihapi gokulpate prema mrita plavanat. Radha Kund is always 24 hours is flooded with the love of Krishna, Krishna prem. And then Rupa Kurya dasya virajato gritate sevam vivekina kaha. So where is one intelligent person who has discriminative mind, discrimination between bad, and who will not try to live on the bank of Radha Kund. The Radha Kund is most superior other than spiritual world and this material, but the topmost place, very conducive for cultivation of Krishna consciousness, this is Radha Kund. Radha Kund mihapi gokulpate prema mrita plavanat kurya dasya virajate gritate sevam vivekina kaha. Therefore, we know all the big acharyas, important, they have very strong desire, hankering for living in Vrindavan, Braja. Narottam Das Thakur talks about Kabe Govardhana Giri. Someone here understand Bengali also. Any devotee here sitting in Bengali? No Bangla. Bengali বুঝতে পারো? কবে গোবর্ধন গিরি হেরিব নয়ন ভরি কবে হবে রাধা কুণ্ডে বাস ভ্রমিতে ভ্রমিতে কবে এ দেহ পতন হবে কহে দীন নরোত্তম দাস কবে গোবর্ধন গিরি হেরিব ও কৃষ্ণ ও শ্রীমতী রাধা রানী when I will be fortunate enough to see Giriraj Govardhan face to face with full satisfaction, heartful satisfaction, when I will be fortunate enough to see Giriraj Govardhan. Kabe, when? Kabe Govardhana Giri, for Hindi, देखिबो नयन भरी. वह है श्रीमती राधा रानी, हे कृष्ण मेरा सौभाग्य कब उदित होगा कि मैं गिरिराज जी गोवर्धन को आंख भर कर दिल भर कर सामने करके देखूंगा. कबे गोवर्धन गिरी हेरिब नयन भरी कबे हवे राधा कुंडे बास. And when I will be fortunate enough to live right on the bank of Radha Kund, कबे हवे कब होगा राधा कुंडे बास, कबे हवे राधा कुंडे बास. Then another, भ्रमिते भ्रमिते कबे ए देह पतन हवे. This part you may or may not appreciate or like even. Bhramite bhramite means going from one forest to another, walking barefoot from one forest to another. O Srimati Radharani, when the time will come that my bodily strength, a sense of power of senses, every ounce or my energy would be exhausted, and this body will fall on the ground in the dust of Vrindavan forever. Bhramite, bhramite, going from one forest to another forest, we become extremely tired. Every ounce of our existence, ounce of energy, every single ounce of energy will be exhausted, and I will no more able to walk anymore, and when my body will fall in the dust of Vrindavan forever. Bhramite bhramite kabe edeha patana habe kahe dina narottam das. शायद यह अंतिम वाक्य आप लोग पसंद नहीं करेंगे. एक श्रीमती राधा रानी, कब वह दिन आएगा कि यह दिन काया हमेशा के लिए ब्रजरज में धूली में ही मिल जाएगा, हमेशा के लिए. This part you may not appreciate, but that is desire of Narottam Das Thakur, one of the topmost acharya in our Gaudiya tradition. So Braja, therefore all of acharya, most of acharya, big acharya, they wish, they desire to live in Vrindavan. Not only live in Vrindavan, they also have desire to go around the 12 forests and especially go around Giraj. That's called Giraj Parikrama. You know, we are followers of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Krishna appeared 5 years ago, 500 years ago. Krishna appeared as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna, they are identical. No difference between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna. Rather, some for other purpose, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu incarnations are more important because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is combined Vigraha of Srimati Radharani and Krishna. Radha Krishna both in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first time came from Vrindavan, of course, after taking sannyas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was living in Jagannath Puri. And from Jagannath Puri, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu walked all the way from Jagannath Puri to Vrindavan. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Vrindavan, first thing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did, he came directly on bank of Jamuna river on Visram Ghat, and first time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first came and then he take a holy dip in Jamuna and Visram Ghat. Right after taking holy dip on Visram Ghat in Jamuna water, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to birthplace of Krishna, Janmasthana in Mathura, and there Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took darshan of Keshav Dev, deity of the Janmasthana is the Keshav Dev. Right after taking darshan of Keshav Dev, Janmasthana, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, first thing he did, Chaurasi Kos Parikrama. So first Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there are 12 forests. First forest Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited, that is called Madhuban. Name of the first forest Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited, that is Madhuban. Madhuban is the place, Madhuban is a forest where Dhruv Maharaj also performed austerity. Of course, Madhuban is a posturing ground for Krishna, for cows, but same time, Dhruv Maharaj also came and he did austerity, tapasya in Madhuban. And he was so fortunate enough, Dhruv Maharaj was fortunate enough to have darshan of Lord Vishnu in within 7 months, 6th month. He came and started his bhakti, and on the 6th month, he was able to see Vishnu, Krishna, face to face. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first went Madhuban, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Talban. Talban is a forest where Balram delivered Dhenukasura. Dhenukasura was delivered by Balramji in Talban, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Kumudban, that is third forest. And after Kumudban, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Bahulaban, and after Bahulaban, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu entered Vrindavan, and in Vrindavan, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Vrindavan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Radha Kund and Shyam Kund. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu take holy dip in Radha Kund as well as Shyam Kund. And after taking holy dip in Radha Kund and Shyam Kund, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did parikrama, circumambulation of Giriraji Govardhan. Giriraji Govardhan, the hill, the mountain which Krishna held on his left hand for 7 days and night. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did that parikrama, and then this is fifth forest, and the sixth forest Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Kamban. Kamban is a forest. There is a very celebrated deity of Lord Shiva, and Shiva named their deity name is Kameshwar Mahadev. So this particular forest is named after Lord Shiva. Kameshwar, and for Kameshwar, Kamban, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Khadirban, that is seventh forest on the western bank of Jamuna river, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu crossed Jamuna river. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to eastern bank of Jamuna river, and first forest Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited on the eastern bank of Jamuna. First one is Bhadraban. Bhadraban is the forest where Krishna delivered Vatsasura. One asur, one demon came with the intention to kill Balarama and Krishna in the shape of a calf, Vats. So he was delivered by Krishna, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Bhandirban. Bhandirban is the forest where marriage of Srimati Radharani and Krishna took place. Hidingly, Brahma performed the marriage to Srimati Radharani and Krishna in Bhandirban, and after Bhandirban, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Belban, or another name of Belban, Striban. Still, Lakshmi Devi is performing. She has taken austere vow and performing austerity with the intention to participate in Ras Leela. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Lohban, and then eventually Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Mahaban. So I describe seven forests, at least to remember with me. First forest, when we do Chaurasi Kos Parikrama, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did in this sequence, so present Acharya, they are tried their level best to go in the same route Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traversed in the Chaurasi Kos. So please, at least you remember, I recite the name. First forest is Madhuban, second Talban, third Kumudban, fourth Bahulaban, fifth Vrindavan, sixth Kamban, seventh Khadirban. These are seven forests situated on the western bank of Jamuna. After crossing Jamuna, going to the eastern bank, first forest, कौन बता सकता है, किसी को याद है? On the eastern bank, Bhadraban, and then Bhandirban, Belban, Lohban, and Mahaban. So here Rupa Goswami in this nectar of instruction, Upadeshamritam, Vaikuntha Janito Bara Madhupuri. Madhupuri, Mathura is so important, it is greater than, superior than Vaikuntha Palan. And superior to Mathura is 12 forests of Vrindavan, because Krishna display his most important and confidential pastime, Ras Leela, in those 12 forests. And superior to that 12 forests is Giraj Govardhan, because Krishna lifted Giraj Govardhan for continuous 7 days and night in order to protect all the Brajavasi. And superior to Giraj Govardhan is Radha Kund, because Radha Kund is always flooded. बन्या बाढ़ आती है तो हमेशा प्रेम से जो जल दिखता, the water of Radha Kund, the Krishna Prem has taken shape of a liquid, and that is Radha Kund. Also in the Vaishnava in tradition, when Krishna Prem becomes liquid, then it is Radha, water of Radha Kund. And when it is frozen, becomes solid like ice, then it becomes Giraji Govardhan. Though we think that is a stone, simple, but the Krishna Prem, it is frozen condition, like water, when it is liquid, then Radha Kund, Krishna Prem, when it is liquid, Radha Kund, and when it is frozen, it becomes solid like ice, then it takes the shape of Giraji Govardhan. Therefore, Vrindavan is the extreme, most conducive place for cultivating Krishna consciousness. If you can live there, at least we should develop desire. At least once a lifetime, we should go, we should visit Braj area, and at least one time go around Giraj Govardhan, Giraj Parikrama. Giraj Parikrama, it is approximately 14 miles long. If you walk on the circumference of Giraj Govardhan, approximately 14 miles, 21 kilometers. And usually it takes, if you walk regular, normal speed, it takes approximately 6 hours. You will fast, then you can finish 5 hours 30 minutes. Otherwise 6-7 hours is good enough to go parikrama. So if we are really we want to make some substantial progress in Krishna consciousness, at least once in a lifetime, we should visit Vrindavan, Braj. I think here I should stop. I understand that 1:15 class goes up to 1:15. Next is your feast. So if you have any question or comment, otherwise you are welcome to join our Sunday feast. Hare Krishna. Vrindavan is nice. Why Prabhupada did not brought us there? Yeah, Prabhupada encourage devotee once a year they should visit Mayapur and Vrindavan. And many devotees, they go at least once a year or sometimes they visit. So Prabhupada they encouraged. Here I am reading this book translated by Srila Prabhupada, and this Prabhupada talks about the importance. Whenever Prabhupada has long cherished desire, one of the final desire of Srila Prabhupada was to go do Giraji Parikrama. Srila Prabhupada was scheduled to do Parikrama on Giraji Govardhan Puja day, but Prabhupada's health was not good enough, so he did not do. His desire is not fulfilled because he was not able to. And after few days, after 3-4 days after Giraji Puja, Govardhan Puja, Prabhupada entered in the Samadhi. Prabhupada entered in the spiritual planet. So, all Acharya, I was taking that Narottam Das Thakur, Kabe Govardhana Giri, Dekhiba Nayana Bhari, Kabe Habe Radha Kunde Bash, Bhramite Bhramite Kabe, Edeha Patana Habe, Kahe Dina Narottam Das. Okay, anything? I think we should speak a little louder. A mood kahi padana. This is description of mood of Narottam Das Thakur. Similar mood is Kabe Govardhana Giri Heri, O my Lord Krishna, Srimati Radharani, when you will make me fortunate enough so that I, on the walk on the dust of Vrindavan, that the dust of Vrindavan, surface of every single inch, every single dust is touched by the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani, gopis, cows, cowherd boys and Krishna. So he's thinking this is not ordinary dust, that dust has associated, dust is touched by directly by feet of Srimati Radharani. So this mood we should cultivate with bade adar ke saath, with all faith and shraddha, prem. Take little dust and put on the matha. This should be. Kabe Govardhana Giri, Heri ba nayana bhari, kabe habe Radha kunde vas, Bhramite Bhramite kabe edeha patana habe, kahe dina Narottam. This is the mood. I was talking about the mood of Narottam Das Thakur, what he has desire and his mood. Okay, I think here. कहना है कुछ? Did not understand. Krishna delivered demons, yes. As soon as they come in touch, they touch the, as soon as they see the beautiful form of Krishna, immediately they are delivered. And more fun when they are touched by the limbs of Krishna, then more severe. So that is, immediately they are transferred to a spiritual planet. Deliverance, killing is also not so prestigious word, but to deliver. The beauty, sweetness of Vrindavan is intact. थोड़ा खरोच भी नहीं आया. It is absolutely intact. But since we have material eyes, material sense, so for us it is covered by yoga. Otherwise, one who developed Krishna Prem, once the Krishna Prem is, we cultivate Krishna consciousness, then the beauty, sweetness, glories of Vrindavan will reveal to us. When Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, they were walking, they don't see that pigs and dirty thing. Only their beautiful Jamuna river, crystal clear water, and everything decorated by, maintained by Vrinda Devi. So when we develop Krishna consciousness, Krishna Prem, then Dham will be revealed to us. So in the proportion we cultivate Krishna consciousness, in same proportion it would reveal to us. So then we will be able to see or experience or perceive the actual beauty, the actual of sweetness of Braja. So it is covered. Not that it is spoiled. Beauty, sweetness, glory of Vrindavan, it is absolutely, complete, 100% intact. But since we have not that type of senses, as about deity also. Premanjana Kshurita Bhakti Vilocanena Santa Sadaiva Hridayeshu Vilokayanti Yam Shyama Sundaram Achintya Gunaswarupam Govindamadi Purusham. Premanjana, eyes made of love. Premanjana Bhakti Vilo. Eyes should be made of bhakti, and there should be ointment, anjan of prem. भक्ति की आँख और उसमें प्रेम का अंजन लगेगा तब the first of all we have to cultivate devotional service, regulative principle, and when we get a spontaneous attraction for Krishna Prem, then we will perceive the actual and sublime and great sweetness of Vrindavan, beauty of Vrindavan. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Santah Sadaiva Hridayeshu Vilokayantim Yam Syam Sundaram Achintya Gunaswarupam Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham. This description about the beautiful form of Krishna and same principle applied about the dham, residence of Krishna. Okay. So here is Srila Prabhupada ki